Hello mga auntie like me! Samahan niyo po kami for our hike dito sa Wadi Nakab sa Ras Al Khaimah. This time, sinama ko yung mga friends ko from Abu Dhabi, United Bikers and Just Ride. Ang tagal na tong plano and finally, it's happening and I hope you guys enjoy this one. There's more to go.
Yes!
At ayan na, we are starting our hike. Medyo makulimlim yung panahon at malamig, kaya buti na lang may jacket kaming dala.
Wala pa, 10% pa lang tayo.
Nagsihubara na ng jacket.
And syempre, hindi mawawala yung picture-picture. Yan talaga yung nagpapaslow ng hike, yung picture. Pero syempre, sayang naman yung location, no? Sayang naman yung view kung walang ebidensya. Sabi nga nila, it never happened pag walang picture. Kaya, dapat meron. So, we have to hike around 1 kilometer from the parking area until up to the starting point of the hike. Akala nila, yun na yung start, yung kung saan kami nag-park. Hindi pa pala. So, budol ulit.
Hindi, babalik kami sa kabila.
Second time ko na dito, pero gandang-ganda pa rin talaga ako dito sa lugar na to, sa Wadi Nakab. Kaya I always recommend this place.
Guys, bilis! So we can go home early because it will rain!
Actually, kinakabahan ako kasi nga umulan the night before sa ibang part ng Ras Al Khaimah at saka sa Dubai. So, akala ko medyo basa yung lugar or may baha and it will not be safe for us to hike. And buti naman, it's dry dito sa area. Kaya push kami. Laban. Very rocky yung hike na to. Kaya dapat doble ingat sa bouldering, sa pag-akyat ng mga bato kasi madulas. Kaya it's mandatory talaga na mag-wear ng hiking boots or shoes for safety. I highly recommend to wear it.
No complaining, please. Go. Here. Here.
Aray ko! Ha? Dala, di ay?
No, that's not the shortcut, but I want you to challenge yourself. Yalla.
Ako lang pala yung challenge!
Oh, dito daan. Go, go, go.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Ayan na. Akyatan na to, kaya mga tuhod, good luck. Ayan si MM, mali yung napasukan niya.
Dito kasi yung arrow, Day, oh.
Actually, may mga markings yung hike, may mga arong ganyan, oh. So, you just have to follow it and hindi naman kayo mawawala. So, medyo mahirap nga ito kasi nga bouldering kayo. So, dapat tulungan lang, hilain, i-push, and enjoy the hike. Ganun lang.
Oh, masaya, masaya. Oh, kanya, dito. Yan. Yay! Ang taas nga. Okay, hold my hand. You can? Okay, good.
So, dito na yung start ng paakyat. Nakalagay 500 meters yung elevation. Kaya, push lang sa mga tuhod.
Ay, namin si Ma'am Hazel.
Dito na yung tricky part at saka medyo scary naman talaga kasi malalim yung kabila. And we're walking sa side ng mountain or sa cliff. Kaya, doble ingat talaga dito.
Hi, Sir Alan. Pa-share niyo mamaya. Ang ganda na draw dito.
Right.
Picture.
Dalawat kalahati!
Alam!
tingnan nyo, oh, very satisfying kahit nakakapagod. Pero if you are seeing this view, wala talaga lahat ng pagod. Diba ang ganda? Ang ganda talaga ng Wadi Nakab. Medyo medyo scary if takot ka sa heights. So, don't look down. Diretso ka lang. So, midway na kami and it's quite difficult na yung part na to. Kaya I always inform them na dapat walang hinahawakan na cellphone or water bottle kasi nga they have to hold the rocks for their safety. Kasi nga loose din yung ibang bato. So, you have to find something na pwede mong hawakan na sunod.
Go, ladies! Sige na, kayo. Meron na. Isa uli na yan. Kaya ah?
Kaya para sabi mo, dapat walang hawak.
Yes. Dati wala nga to eh.
Kaya pa mas okay kasi.
Ganito po yung dinadaanan namin. Dati walang hawakan yan. I'm glad ngayon meron na medyo safe na. Kaya ingat talaga sa lahat ng mag-hike dito. Look at that! Di ba? Ang ganda! Kahit nakakapagod, it's worth it. See? Ang ganda talaga dyan. Tapos nasa gilid ka talaga ng bundok. Alam mo yun, parang you are in different dimension.
Slow talaga. Hindi to motion. Slow talaga.
So we have to cross this mountain at I promised them na magbe-breakfast na kami kasi may patag dyan sa likod ng bundok na yan. So here they are waiting for me. And of course, yung pagka-lider-lideran ko sa mga kalokohan, umandar na naman. Kaya, ayan, let's go there. Let's enjoy the hike. Dapat you always have to keep eye on your team or mga kasama. Hindi pwedeng maiwan. As much as possible, maglakad na nakikita pa rin sila. Ganun lang para safe. And yay! Finally, nasa patag na kami in few seconds. Yan, so magbe-break muna kami dito for breakfast. Nagbaon kami ng food, of course, boiled egg, hindi mawawala. You can also bring tinapay, slice of fruits, and a lot of water. Don't forget water, you have to keep yourself hydrated. Ayan, waiting for them, kumakain. Yan, energized na sila ulit for another climb. Tawang-tawa talaga ako manood sa kanila. Meron pa sanang mga 1.5 kilometers towards the village. Kaso we decided to end na lang yung hike dito kasi pagod na sila. At babalik na kami. Kasi meron pa naman kaming ibang pupuntahan, yung Bat Cave on the way back. Kaso nasa entrance yun siya banda. It's actually good na makulimlim this time kasi nga hindi kami masyadong na-drain at napagod dahil sa init. So, ayan, okay pa naman. We can still go sa cave at may energy pa ang lahat. By the way, hindi loop yung hike na to. Kaya same way yung pag-enter nyo, same way out. So, okay lang if may mga napagod at hindi nakayanin yung hike. They can wait for you, same spot, or they can go back sa parking, sa car. And it will be still safe for them.
Into the cave.
And here we are at the Bat Cave. Actually, hindi ganito ka-accessible yan last time. I think 2 years ago, mahirap pa pumasok dito. And now they have built stairs for easy access. And meron silang ginagawa sa loob. Dati sobrang init. Ngayon may ventilation na at may palight. So it's easier for the hikers and the tourists to visit the cave. And actually, mahaba pa yan siya. But I'm not allowed to go farther kasi may mga ginagawa ng construction and it's not safe. And hinanap ko yung friend kong bat, si Batman. Kaso hindi kami nagkita this time. Ayan, look at that. Ang ganda ng cave. And mayroong ding stairs just beside the cave that will take you to the top of the mountain. Mayroong village doon, but it's just too long. Hindi na namin kayanin. Kaya, ayan, we enjoyed the view na lang from here. Success, everyone! Congratulations!
Kumilalakad nila kami. Yay! We did it! 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 Already!
And this is the end of our hike. I hope you enjoyed this one and see you next time. Thank you po for watching and don't forget to like and follow and of course share. Ingat kayo lagi. Love, Isel.